Okay, this is lesson 10 in the 2D geometry unit. The homework that goes with this is page 19. You want to be on page 19 in your notes. All right, example 1. You are going to re-tile the floor in your kitchen. The kitchen is a rectangle with length 15 and width 12. There is an island in the center that takes up 25% of the area of your floor. How many square feet are you going to have to tile? What should I do first? Draw a picture. My kitchen is 15 feet by 12 feet. And then I've got an island in the middle. Some of you probably have an island in your kitchen. Now, if I want to re-tile this floor, isn't my tile going to go there? I'm not going to put tile under my island, because first of all, my island's attached to my floor. Second of all, what a waste of money. Put tile down and then cover it up with something that's not going to move, right? That doesn't even make sense. So, aren't I only tiling this blue part? So, they're telling us that the island is 25% of the floor. So if the island is 25%, what will the tile be? What percent will the tile be? 75%. Do you guys agree with that? If the island's 25%, then the tile is going to be 75%. Well, don't I have to find the area first? I got to find the area of the whole thing. So my area, since it's a rectangle, is length times width. My area is going to be 12 times 15, which is 180 square feet. Now, I'm going to show you how to find the tile two ways. Can I find the island and subtract it? I can find the island and subtract it. My island is 25% of the floor. So 0.25 times 180. Does that make sense? 25% of the floor. And if I do that, that gives me 45 square feet. I got to take the island out. So 180 minus 45 is 135 square feet. That's what I need to tile. That's not how I would do it. I would do what, Sydney? Yeah, I would skip right to the 0.75 times 180, which will give me 135 square feet. Because if the island takes up 25, then the tile takes up 75. I want to find the tile, so just do 0.75 times 180. That's the same exact idea as discount. You are going to tile with 1 square foot tile. So we're talking about the problem above it. Okay? So what did we have? We had 135 square feet. You are going to tile with 1 square foot tiles. Tiles are sold in packages of 20 that cost $28.99. How much will it cost to retile? Well, if we need to have 135 square feet, and our tiles are 1 square foot each. How many tiles do I need? It's not a trick question. I need 135 tiles. Does that make sense? Because they're 1 square foot each, and I've got 135 square feet, so I need 135 tiles. Okay? So I go to Home Depot, and the kind of tile that I picked out comes in boxes of 20. It comes in boxes that have 20 each. How do I figure out how many boxes I need? Yep. What's 135 divided by 20? 6.75. So do you say to the guy at Home Depot, hey man, I need 6.75 boxes. No, how many boxes do I need? I need to buy 7 boxes. if I buy 6 boxes, I'm only going to have 120 tiles. That's not enough, right? So I need 7 boxes, which is going to give me 140 tiles. It's a little more than I need, but that's how it is. So I need 7 boxes, and they're $28.99 each. What do I do? What do I do, Gracie? Yep, 7 times $28.99, and you will get $202.93. Okay, Mrs. Grabner has a garden that surrounds part of her patio in her backyard, as shown in the picture. She is going to mulch the garden this spring. Each bag of mulch covers 3 square feet of her garden. She knows she can spread a bag of mulch in 15 minutes. How long will it take her to mulch the garden? Well, let me ask you a question. This is her garden. What is each one of these boxes? What does it represent? Yeah, this is 3 feet, so each one of these is 3 feet, or a foot. What is one of these squares? That's a square foot. So could I just count the square feet of this garden if I wanted to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or this one I could have done 3 times 3 is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I've got 23 square feet. I've got 9 in that square part, and I've got 2 by 7. I've got 14 here. 9 plus 7 is 14. That makes it nice. So I've got 23 square feet, correct? All right, so let's figure out how many bags of mulch we need. Okay, so each bag covers 3 square feet. So what do I need to do to find out how many bags I need? When you do 23 divided by 3, you get 7.6 repeating. So how many bags do I need to buy? Zaira, why aren't you writing? Okay, you need an attitude adjustment. 8 bags. 8 bags. All right, so she's going to spread 8 bags of mulch. It says she knows she can spread a bag of mulch in 15 minutes. What do I do? Yep. 8 times 15 is 120 minutes. Which is how many hours? Yep. Okay, if I want to convert this to hours, there are 60 minutes in an hour, so this is 2 hours. Mrs. Jacoby's backyard is in the shape of a parallelogram. She is going to spread grass seed with fertilizer this spring so that the lawn is nice for her kids to play on. She can spread the seed at a rate of 7,500 square feet per hour. How long will it take her to spread the grass seed? What's the first thing I need to find? Right, we need to find the area of our yard. Area equals base times height. If you guys don't think this is real, the next time you go to Home Depot, look on the bags of fertilizer and grass seed, and it will tell you this bag is for 10,000 square feet. So you need to know how big your yard is by its area before you go. So area is going to be what? 120 times 150. The area of this yard is going to be 18,000 square feet. Now, I like what Sydney said. She set up a proportion for the last problem. Let's set up a proportion for this one. says she can spread the seed at a rate of 7,500, and that's square feet. We're comparing that to hours, per hour. Square feet per hour. Where does this 18,000 square feet go, top or bottom? Yep. Cross multiply, 7,500x equals 18,000. Divide by 7,500. And I will get x is 2.4 hours. 2.4 hours. All right. Do I write 2 hours and 4 minutes? No, because it's 0.4. It's 4/10 of an hour. How do I figure out how many minutes that is? 4/10 of an hour. How many minutes are in an hour? So wouldn't I do 4/10 times 60? What's 4/10 of 60? Punch it into your calculators. Yep, so this would be 2 hours and 24 minutes. Because isn't a tenth of an hour 6 minutes? Because it's 60 divided by 10. So 4/10 would be 24. Okay, last but not least. Mrs. Hartzman was playing a game with her students. She told them to calculate the area of the circle that contained an odd number. The area of the circle that contained the odd number. How could her students work to accomplish the task? So, odd number, odd number, odd number. What percent or fraction of a circle has odd numbers in it? If they're all evenly 3/5. Isn't this 3/5 of the circle has odd numbers in it? Does that make sense? This is just like that square problem that we did earlier, 3/8 of the square. So this is 3/5 of the circle. Well, let's do that. 3/5 times, what's the formula for area of a circle? Times pi r squared. Now I have a question. Could we do this problem? No, because we don't know what the radius is. But if they told us that this radius was 6 inches, they told us that was 6 inches, let's do it. 3/5 times, what do I put in for pi? 3.14 times 6 squared. Let's punch that in and see what we get. I get 67.824, and it would be inches squared because it's 3/5 of the circle. All right.